Hello, guys. Hello, my beautiful people out there. Hello, everybody. It's Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, no time to check time. So I greet to all, I greet to appreciate you all. So make I see hello now, no time to check time, my beautiful people. So now, so I greet now so much all over the world, subscribing to my channel, being there for me. I thank you all. I thank you all, guys. Yes. So I thank you all, my beautiful people out there. So maybe I still do short video, I still post, I still use and update my beautiful people, you know. But see, was small topic when I still need to. Sorry, my people. Still need to still talk. Be say this life is good to be very good, and the way some people think they do something not be so. You understand me? Because this life, nothing they this life, of which many people know, but they are just being wicked to the sense that they don't get pity mind for their person when they follow them, they work out only their own. And then some people they will know that thing that only their own, and they don't know another person. No, another person will not concerned. It's only for them, only their own. They know anything when we say another person who they pass through anything not concerned. They just for only them. This life is not like that. Understand me? Babele no good, hatred no good. Try to bring someone that try to plan evil against person, you know good. You understand? If you know, say you be presenter, you still need to still respect yourself, either old or small or whatever. You still need to respect, especially people when we say we don't come meet. Understand? Because as you see me, so the type of person that I am, I'm a type of person to the sense that I don't look for trouble. And when I don't look, don't look for me, don't find me, because when you find me, I give it to you the way you want. And you say we will tire, say, hey, please forgive. I don't forgive like that. You understand? So that is the reason why I don't pass my lane, I don't pass my boundary. As you just see me, so that's why I did nice. Know that I praise myself. I know I'm a nice person, but I don't look for trouble. I don't try to bring people down. But when you dey, you all me dey, man, you are not think all those problems go there, all those wahala go there. And two, wait till they see they go for this social media when you call and not go fit finish. You not go fit finish. You know why? Because some people they know they mind their business one. Some people they this social media they say the first was come around, they don't sit there for this social media. Now they suppose they put us through. Now they supposed to they tell we when you enter say now so you go do or not be so you go do. So if you say even when you enter like this now, they say maybe matter can't come. The matter can't get as if you want call the cost square for social media. They will supposed be the one to say like person like Edimufi, Kakabo, Pyranomigo. In fact, there are many for social media when we say we know there plenty. Now they're supposed to say no, we're not supposed to be like this, so no, we're not supposed to be like this. So okay, look at this man now, Edimufi and Ivie now. Edimufi and Ivie now. They say their matter now not be small quarrel. You understand? You see what I'm talking about? It's somehow you don't feel the team get as it be. You understand? Oh yes, guys, it's me. Oh yes, it's me. You understand? So now what they talk be that? Now they're supposed to they settle this social media and be say problem will stop, we go reduce. Not be to for them to they add more stress, add more wahala. When we say now they don't go even worse, but to see the truth they will the banner. Me, I'm a type of person, my platform is platform of truth. Many of them when they follow me, don't suppose know me. I know they see red, they call them blue. I know they see blue, they call them purple. I know they see purple, they call them black. No, when I see red is red, blue is blue, green is green. That is me for you. And when I see what is not going on social media, I need to still talk about it. You understand? You still need to still talk about it, you know? Because that is waiting some people they do and be say, it don't make sense. Let's tell my people, make I give me. You understand? And what be say that they do and be say, it not good, it don't make sense. Take that all of it. You understand? Now what be say that they do and be say they know say this thing not good. They will still say they will see truth, they will they burn. They will see truth, they will they dance around them. That one me not like. You understand? Now they supposed to they settle those matters and be say they go okay, say and Via and Ranomigo, they say Ranomigo Dimufi now. They say they see the quarrel. And a pie Dimufi, you are old enough to settle issue. You are old, you don't advance, you don't sit for social media, you don't take for abroad. Especially for Germany. You know, be a mama for Germany again. There are some things you still need to still respect and respect yourself. And two, when be say if something happen, you as a father now, you will supposed to because a pa or mommy or sister or see something when they happen. That's okay. If you read this person table, now peace go there. If you read this person table, you know the one wahala go talk and the way it be. Now so it's supposed to be. Then the problem go they solve. Okay, if now Igbo people they do this social media, if you look this social media now, 15 my beautiful people. Now those states, Benin, those states now the many pass. Not be some other tribe, not the Ghana, Nigeria, another tribe, not the. But if you look at the real presenter, when they say okay, make they talk of presenter now. May we just talk all those one. We are from Benin, Edo State. Or fine, say the Benin, some of them still like to the bring president, but at a time when you look at nothing with the poor when they go up. If you look this presenter of 18, just from Facebook, go count and reach you too. With plenty just for later Nigeria or those states Benin, we many for that social media. And if now Igbo or another tribe or Ghana, another country, now ain't many like this, they go get union. So okay, social media, you know, as to say you use now social media president, the Kakabo say na female president. Now supposed to carry the matter now go the and you know. No be made they see they put salt, they say salt the peppers because they add salt and pepper to eat. It's worse and it's not good. You understand me? It's not good. It doesn't make sense. Because you know, not be to just say person hold at the same time, and my own sense and my own wisdom now see they add to it. As I said, there be social media president. We're supposed to get or we see get meeting when we say person still don't be to donate money on one or two things. But those okay, when this matter go reach there, those people, when this matter reach there, they are going to settle it. Because this problem is not going to solve. This one they are just saying now, this and that one. The problem not get when you want to stop my people. You know they. The problem not get when you want to stop. Let to be frank and sincere. You not get when you want to stop. So let's stand for the truth. Let's say the truth let's say the truth. You not get when this wahala go take stop for now. I'm saying it. Because the way it is now is worsening and worsening. Okay, because as we many reach say okay, we'll be at those states for social media, we need to say okay now, wait till they will get you know so, okay, if this matter they go like this, so okay, see platform when we go okay, see up, if we reach also place it go finish. As they give they say big social media president, this one, that one saying a female president, they need to act as senior so that we that's coming up we still look up to them for good. You understand? Because this one, you know, as I talk and I say me not get topic, I get topic, oh my dear. Because all those things now is not going to help. It's worsening and worsening every day. It's worsening and worsening every day. It don't have help. You don't get with it in one commot. You understand? Look at this wheat. They come. See. You understand? You don't get what you want help. Because this one we need to say, okay, now we'll get, you know, it's not Ghana people or not Nigeria or not Igbo people. Now many for social media and say those states take many. So, my dear, let me fact say they go get meeting. Even though they don't feel they go, even though na WhatsApp group they go there, then they go they plan for this. Okay, see what's one person they do something we will support her. This one they do will support her. Okay, if misunderstand the concept because nowhere for the play when quarrel fights no day. If misunderstand the concept day, we will see settle on us. Okay, so some people they will see settle on between them. If you can see day for another tribe, they'll say okay, can't go this place. There will be peace. There will be no fights. They will say there will be peace because to be frank, as they say, as we many for social media, as those states, Benin. We supposed to say yes, we get waiting be say all those elderly one goes okay, more we do one like this.